Hey, and welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Cypher's channel! Alright, so today, obviously, we have the Allosaurus. We have a Dino Escape Allosaurus here and a Dominion Extreme Damage. Alright, and we have the new Epic Evolution Allosaurus. This is our main topic here. There you go. Alright, first thing, we're gonna go to the Dino Escape Allosaurus. Is this a Dino Escape or Camp Cretaceous? Man, I don't even remember. But anyways, yeah, this one has a different color, has spikes. So the difference of an Allosaurus and a T-Rex is they have spikes over here and they have this little crest on their head. And this one has a sound. There you go. You push that, you slide that button there. It opens the mouth. So this Allosaurus has a pink tongue, but mostly all of them have black tongues. Like this guy has a black tongue as well. Same as the Dino Rival Allosaurus. Here's the DNA scan for this guy. So here's the damage, because it is an extreme damage. Also, this is a Walmart exclusive. This big Allosaurus right here. You push this button. There's the sound. There's the black tongue that I was talking about. If you push this, there you go. You can see his rib cage and part of his lungs over there. There you go. And there's the DNA scan. Now let's get our main topic. Okay. We're gonna unbox this Epic Evolution Allosaurus.
That's new.
Yeah.
New that?
Alright, let's check it out. Okay. Okay. Let's cut him out. Uh-oh. Alright. There you go. Let's check the back first. So we already have the Neovenator and this Triceratops. We already have that. Also, good news, we are done with the Ultimasaurus. That will be our next custom hybrid video. There you go. So it said it is a river. It actually hangs out in the river. Alright. So here he is. Oh, okay. So here's the DNA scan. It's right on it's on its thigh right now. So the tail swings. So I think I like this Allosaurus better. It has a better back, full of scales right there compared to the extreme damage. There's the. So when you push, when you roll this, oh, it's actually the head. There you go. See, it jumps. There you go. It does. The arms doesn't move, unlike the Neovenator. Excuse me. And then this one right here. Oh, see, there you go. You slide this button, the spikes comes out. Really good. So let's compare it to the Dino Escape. So the teeth is actually part of the head. There you go. This guy's actually separated. There you go. It's part of a rubber. So this is so much better now. And then we have the Dominion Extreme Damage. As you can see, the teeth is part of the head. It can worn out when you scratch it. The paint comes off. So you don't want to do that. So now who's got a better facial structure here? I would choose the Epic Evolution. They really have improved so much. So the teeth is actually separate. It's made of rubber now, not plastic. See that? Alright. Alright, back to the topic. What else did we miss? Where's the DNA? Oh yeah, I already saw it. It's in the thigh right here. It is here now. Okay. So I guess that's pretty much it. So as we can see, we compared the tail of this two. It's totally, they really updated it. Full of spikes now. It's a big difference now. It's like an evolved Allosaurus. That's why they call it Epic Evolution, I guess. It really evolved. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today then. Alright, that's pretty much it. Then, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thanks a lot. Okay, there's Safrat right there. There's Cypher.
No.
Alright.
Yes.
Yeah, the next video will be the Ultimasaurus. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks again. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Yeah, thanks again guys.
Bye.
Bye.